aloha! Happy Halloween! Aroma Surf. And today's special mix is Kabocha Pumpkin Cheesecake. So we'll see you in the kitchen soon. And please don't forget to like and push that red button. Subscribe. And have a wonderful, happy holiday. See you in the kitchen.
You said see you in the kitchen twice.
That's okay.
Here we are in the kitchen, and here comes the pumpkin, kabocha. First, we're going to remove the seeds. Then, we're going to chop the pumpkin into smaller pieces. Careful when chopping the pumpkin. It's important to make sure you use a sharp and sturdy knife. This type of pumpkin is very hard. We're going to add the pieces of pumpkin to the pot, and we're going to put them on the stove to steam, nice and soft. Using a bamboo skewer to check the texture. Perfect. And we're going to put them on pause. Onto the crust. Today we're using a local brand of coconut milk biscuits. And we're going to crush those biscuits, and we're going to crush them well. It's important to crush the biscuits because we want to make sure that the texture of our crust is smooth. One final crush, and we're good to go. Adding a teaspoon of almond milk to melted butter, and we're going to stir it up. The milk makes it so we don't have to use as much butter. Adding that to the crust mix, and we're going to mix it up. Now we're going to add some parchment paper to our cheesecake pan. And we're going to add our crust mix, spread it and press it. Pressing it, making sure that it's nice and firm and solid at the bottom. We're going to pop that in the fridge to chill. Now we're going to use a block of cream cheese that's been sitting at room temperature. And we're going to mix it up. We're going to add 1 egg and some raw cane sugar. And give it a nice mix. Adding some organic honey straight from the bear. Making sure that it's well mixed. Now we're going to take the pieces of steamed pumpkin and we're going to press them through a strainer to create a pumpkin puree. We're going to add the batter mix to our puree and mix it up. Making sure, of course, it is well mixed again so that our texture is creamy and smooth. Don't forget the cinnamon. There we go. Taking the crust out of the fridge, we're going to add our batter. We're going to fill it up in the pan, making sure that we make the top nice and level. Okay, ready for the oven. About 350 degrees for 45 minutes. And here we are, beautiful kabocha pumpkin cheesecake. But wait, we have to let this cool. And it's gonna take a while. Once it's cooled, we're going to cover it with a piece of plastic and pop it in the fridge overnight.
See this whole world love each other. Talking to you, sister and our brother. I wanna see this whole world love each other. Talking to you, sister and our brother. Living in harmony.
Good morning. Smell that aroma. Nothing like a cup of espresso in the morning. Let's have a cup, shall we? Thank you so much. Ooh, special topping. Guess what? Guess what's ready? It's the cheesecake. What a way to start the day. Pumpkin cheesecake and espresso for breakfast. Wow, look at those colors. Look at that texture. Looking so good. Shall we cut a slice? And it's time to sample. Smooth and creamy. Mahalo for watching. And happy holidays and stay safe. We'll see you in the kitchen soon. Aloha.